軽くポンポン軽くって言ったらなんていうの。OK OK 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 OK.
Hello, good day. Welcome to my channel. I'm Chief Boyet. Again, I'll be sharing about the overhauling of Governor. But normally, the Governor of our diesel generator is not advisable nor recommended to overhaul or touch by the crew. And most of the time, we're sending it ashore for reconditioning. Not unless, of course, if the crew has the good knowledge in how to do it, or in some instances of having an urgent or emergency situation wherein you didn't have any option or choice than to check and overhaul. This short video will help you to understand about the overhauling, especially this disassembling and assembling of the RHD Governor. And it may also give you a good guidance on how to make it properly, because in this video we have some other important points you have to consider during the assembling and disassembling. But before we go on, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Chief Boyet. In this channel, we are mainly sharing technical knowledge and information in some other topics related to seafarers. So let's start the overhaul. Let's say that you have already disconnected or detached the governor from the diesel generator engine, and you have already placed in workshop for overhauling. Should it start by removing all the bolts on the top cover? To remove the top cover, including the servo motor, seems quite simple. And the gasket, if you don't have the available gasket on board, still you can use, so take care of that not to damage. Next is to remove the fin of the floating lever. Actually, there are two pins. It can be easily removed by pliers or long nose. Mostly, we are using or makers recommending to use pliers just to strengthen the bended part, and you can pull it out. But of course, avoid to apply too much force, otherwise it may damage some internal component. Upon removing all these two pins, then you can easily remove or detach the floating lever. Then, followed by removing the pilot valve with the spreader spring. As you can see, the pilot valve, the spring is called the spreader spring. Just a simple strategy to catch the pin in order not to fall down upon removing it. We normally or usually putting or placing a rags or piece of cloth under it. You can now remove the flyweight by turning it upside down, and at the same time remove the lower part. After removing the lower part of the governor, you can now easily remove the power piston, regulating bulb, and even the driving shaft in the sleeve. Now we've done to disassemble the governor. So let's start again to reassemble. Of course, in assembling of the governor, you're just like doing the reverse way. Just like when you have disassembled the governor, then from the start to the last part or the last procedure, you will reverse that one. From the last procedure, it will be your first part or first step in assembling the governor.
Mas una-una yan. Hindi siya makapasok.
When tightening the lower part of the governor, kindly note that it has a tightening sequence. So the tightening will be started from the nearest bolt to the driving gear shaft. So as you can see, there are three bolts. One is the nearest. So you have to start from the nearest one, and the tightening angle should be same as the others. And while tightening these three bolts, the driving shaft should be slowly turning until the three bolts are fully tightened. Now we're done assembling the governor. If you like this video, please like and share. And for more videos like this, please visit my YouTube channel, Chief Boyet. Again, thank you for watching Chief Boyet. Hope you like it. Please like, share, and subscribe. God bless us all.